All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast. More gray skies, although there's some blue behind you.
Yeah, so as predicted yesterday, we were hoping for some breaks towards the end of the day, and it did happen, Sophie, which is nice because this morning was a little dreary. The rain was coming down hard, it was cool, it was windy, so this is a nice little break from that. And we are trending towards more sunshine in the long-range forecast. I want to point out, though, that we're not totally in the clear. You can see a number of showers across Vancouver Island, and there still is a slight chance here in Metro Vancouver. That's what I was saying yesterday. Don't leave home without the rain jacket, even when you see some breaks. So there's the upper level low that has been impacting us for 2 days. It is going to stick with us for the next 12 hours, but generally it is starting to weaken and shift out of the region. So this is what it looks like. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up to some sunshine. However, a front is going to slide down from the north. You can see it impacting these northern regions in the morning. So although we'll see a bit of sunshine, some lingering cloud cover tomorrow morning. We're not totally in the clear, but quickly we'll see cloud cover shift in. As the front, though, shifts south, it weakens. So we'll see a little bit of cloud cover through the latter part of the day, generally cloudy on Friday, and there's a very slight chance of showers towards the evening hours. But then Saturday, it looks like we have a little bit more sunshine in the forecast, which is great, and we'll likely see that on Sunday also. Here's a quick look at tomorrow across the northern regions. This is where the wet weather will be through the morning hours, and then it shifts later in the day down across these areas. But again, it's weakening as it does, so it'll bring cloud cover and a slight chance of showers, but not as much moisture. Highs will reach only 16 degrees tomorrow, which is near seasonal for this time of year, and we're going to remain near seasonal over the next couple of days. But this is what we have to look forward to. Over the last few weekends, Mother Nature hasn't been able to figure out when the weekend is, Sophie, but it looks like she is this weekend coming up with some sunshine.
She's getting her timing right.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, Kristi. Well, the weather is cooling down. The sun is setting earlier. A sure sign it's almost time to fall back.
Yep, the twice-yearly time change has been around for most of the country for more than 100 years. But as Heather Yorick's West reports, time might be running out. Well, we were just talking about how sometimes it's a bit of a bother when it happens out here. But
I just want it to be
light
it when we drive home.
Exactly.
Look at what's going on behind you there.
Yeah, I wanted to show you some photos from around the province. Here across the south coast, we had mainly cloudy skies, so we couldn't see it. We might be able to tonight because it'll be a little bit clearer, but these are the shots from last night. Suzanne sharing that one from Masset and Haida Gwaii, Lac La Hache. Jen, thank you. Look at the color across the sky. Holy crow. And this one from the Watch Lake region in Caribou. So thanks to Robin Cowan for that one. Beautiful as well. So this is a scene out there right now, and one of the reasons why, if we do see the aurora again tonight, have a look outside as we head sort of past sunset. Of course, it needs to be really dark for you to be able to see it. We've been contending with this upper level low for the last 2 days. It's now starting to weaken. Still some showers across Vancouver Island, some nice breaks here in Metro Vancouver, but as I mentioned yesterday, it's the type of scenario where we still could see a slight chance of a shower this evening, but certainly this low is starting to weaken, and this is what it means for tomorrow. We're actually going to wake up to some sunshine. We may see some low level cloud, but overall sunny skies across southern BC. Heavier rain shifting into the central interior, central coast as well. And then as this front continues to track to the south, it weakens. So we'll see cloud cover and a chance of a shower. Not very good chance, though, here in Metro Vancouver towards the end of the day. And then plenty of sunshine still in store for us on Saturday. We may wake up to cloud cover on Saturday, but overall, we've got a pretty nice weekend in store for us. But tomorrow, certainly mainly cloudy. So these areas here, quite a bit of rainfall. That will shift south and weaken. So these areas will see cloud cover in the afternoon with that chance of showers, and then that's the case for Metro Vancouver also. So 16 degrees is our daytime high. An overcast Friday for everyone, but at least we get some nice time, get some nice sunshine for the weekend, because the timing from Mother Nature has not been that great over the last little while. So she's figured it out finally. All right, tonight's Cloverdale Paint Weather Window is coming to you from Ladysmith, where Lane and Debbie captured this fun shot because this is from today because of the sort of spotty conditions that we're seeing right now. Of course, rainbows tend to be a thing with this type of pattern. So
that is a very bright rainbow.
I know. I thought they
like
did
a very
this really well.
defined rainbow.
Very intense. Okay, Squire joins us now with a look ahead to sports.
Well, as I said last night, Vancouver was going to win the Canadian Soccer Championship.
Oh, you're so smart.
And Vancouver also lost the Canadian Soccer Championship. I know. How can you win and lose at the same time? Well, it's possible. But Ryan Gauld returned to the Whitecaps lineup. First time we've seen him since March
The film will premiere on Sunday, I think, Vancouver International Film Festival. So just check the website for times. It airs a few times, so you should be able to get tickets still. Last word on weather before we go?
Yeah, we've got a great weekend in store for us. Tomorrow, though, we just have to get through a bit of cloud cover, maybe a slight chance of showers in the evening. Not too bad.
All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good night.
Good night, all.